Hey, good afternoon. This is Monday, the 23rd of February. Just going to go over a few things for everybody. Just to give you an idea where we're at with a bunch of positions. Excuse me. A bunch of positions and things we've been trading. Let's just get to it. All right, where's that going? There. All right, let's get to my quote board here. This just is the first thing that popped up today. The First Majestic is making new all-time highs. This is a silver miner. This has been outperforming the silver for the last month, and this thing looks terrific. The other things that I'm looking at here, and this is what's running the board. Come on. All right, so it's S&P gold. Long S&Ps, short gold is the chart. You can see where this is breaking down. I've been trading this off the quarterly. Traded it here off the quarterly. Got out of my short gold here, our long gold here the first time, and resold it up in here when it rolled back over. This wants to go back to 2011 levels. This has got much farther to go. No, I'm not looking for any type of low here in this spread until we get back into where it started from, and that's probably in the 2013 levels, which it opened up and took off from 80.27. So this has got a ways to go. Same thing with S&P silver. All these charts look the same. The other thing we're involved in is oil services. I've been in this. I'm not getting out. You know, the longer time frames have much higher targets, and I'm just not going to get going back and trading this back and forth. I've been highlighting today's high at 67.14.15 in the oil since last week. This is a big level. Once we start up, you have potential for another $8 rally in oil. So I'm not getting out of this stuff. This is a huge commodity rally. You've had things go on in South America with boycotting at Cargill's grain terminal with the indigenous tribes. They don't like what's going on down there. You've got stuff on the boundary waters with the mining permits up there. This is now turned into a worldwide thing where people don't want it in their backyard, and this is going to keep commodity prices higher. And that is really the main thing I'm looking at now. As I look at the gold, what I'm going to follow, and I'm going to keep following, is the long-term targets in gold. And when gold gets back up to 5,400, last week I told everybody on Tuesday that was going to be the low for a while in the metals, and I started accumulating. I bought more double and triple gold and silver ETFs on Thursday and Friday. I peeled some off this morning because those are highly leveraged and I wanted to pay for the trade. Still have plenty of juice. I have underlying bullion longs, but I've had a mix. And then this little rally, I've totally missed the miners. So, I caught the first up in the miners. I've missed this leg. I'll take a look back. But I can tell you right now that we get back up to 5,400 until we start closing over that on a weekly basis. this is going to be a wall. So that as we get up here towards 5,400, I'm peeling off more silver, I'm peeling off more gold, and then I'm willing to buy it back higher. The silver, there are two numbers up there I'm looking at, basically $90, and it'll take a close over 93 resistance to get going. The weekly, I'm getting the $90 off of the January 20th low, which is 90.15. We start, and we need back over the weekly momentum, which is 92.84. So that's how I'm playing that, and you should be aware of it. Now, I've just sent out an update on the Matrix class, which is up March 20th. So you got a month before the class. I'm not doing any more classes after this. People can request the tapes from me, but I'm not going to be involved. I'm pretty much shutting down on that, and I've got a few people I'm committed to. And if more people come in this March, the beginning of the year, then I'll stay committed to it. Otherwise, I'm going to back off from that commitment. It's a time commitment. As I'm getting a little bit older, I just can't guarantee that time. So that's it. Any questions? All you have to do, if you want a trial from the service, go to whitewavetradingstrategies.com, put in your name and email, and come in and join in for a few weeks on a trial. Most of the people that reach out for me, I'm going to tell you right now, you're better off coming in the room for a while, subscribing, listening to what I'm saying, and get used to how I'm saying it, and then you can talk to the other members in the room that are all highly successful traders, and decide what's right for you. So I'm looking forward to it.